Alright boys, if you're still using dhgate, I hate to break it to you, but you are literally getting scammed, and let me show you how. And before I bring up any other points, I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, but Ken, you're with All China Buy, you're biased. And to that I'd say, I have a lot of friends who use dhgate, who have dhgate spreadsheets, and up until recently, I didn't care about dhgate at all. I thought they were just another agent who was doing their thing, and I didn't have any problem with that. But after taking a closer look at dhgate, I got to say, if you are using dhgate, you're essentially draining money down the toilet. And if you know me, you know I do this for the people, so at the end of the day, I'm just trying to raise awareness, let people know that there's a better way to spend your money, there's better ways to save money, getting all the shoes, all the clothes that you want, and dhgate is just not it. But no hate against dhgate, if you still want to use dhgate, more power to you. No one's hating. Alright, now my first point against dhgate is that it is far too expensive. Most of the time you pay more for worse stuff compared to if you had just bought with an agent. And to make this worse, you'd never know which factory a product is coming from. So you can be getting sold a low quality batch for the same price as a high quality batch. And I've seen this happen. I've seen Jordan 4s being sold for near retail prices when you can go to All China Buy and pick up an S tier batch of Jordan 4s, the GX batch, for only $60. And that brings us to our second point. The quality on dhgate is so hit or miss even if you're shopping with a spreadsheet. And I think the main culprit behind this is that there are no QC. Sellers can ship out whatever they want to ship out to you. It's not like you're gonna quality check them and say, no, I don't want this, it doesn't look like what I want. You can't do that here, which is insane. I've heard stories of people having to buy the same shoe multiple times, like 2 or 3 times, just to get a good quality pair, which is just insane to me. This is a problem that you would never have if you had just bought through an agent. And finally, my third and last point, the shipping cost and the shipping times. So I put up a spreadsheet and found a high quality pair of Jordan 1s, which was apparently 1-to-1, doesn't mention any batch, any factory, nothing like that. So take that with a grain of salt. And the price, $85 a pair. And yeah, I guess if you want a good batch, $85 sounds okay. And then shipping, $30. Now this shipping price seems perfectly fine on the surface, but when you take a look at how long it takes to deliver, somewhere around 3 to 4 weeks, nearly a month to ship one pair of shoes. On All China Buy, for the same amount of money, for $30, you can get one pair of Jordan 4s shipped with the box in 7 days. Why would you pay the same amount for shipping and wait a month when you can pay the same amount and get it in 7 days and get a better shoe? But yeah, let me know in the comments, do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? And hey, if you think I'm wrong, I genuinely want to know why you would still use dhgate over an agent. I'm genuinely curious, please let me know. And hey, if you've finally seen the light and you want to switch over to All China Buy, make sure to join with my link in the description. You get a bunch of coupons straight to your account, and you'll be automatically entered for my giveaway, which is still going on, ends December 12th. And with that, it's been your boy Ken. I hope you guys have a great holiday season, and I'll see you boys next time. Peace.